Once more, the impact of climate change has seen our weather hit the headlines, as again and again towns and communities bear the brunt of climate change. As global warming continues its upward trend, flooding and other extreme conditions have become a regular occurrence, and meteorologists have concluded that higher rainfall amounts that cause treacherous flooding conditions are here to stay. Adding to the challenge posed by this new phenomenon is the expansion of population centres beyond city limits. And today more roadways, car parks and roofs are replacing nature's green fields with impervious surfaces and reducing the ground's natural infiltration system in the process. In many instances, expanding towns and cities have outgrown their own stormwater and drainage capacity, and where excess runoff was traditionally dispersed into the nearest water course, today neither the pipes nor our rivers can accommodate the increasing runoff. In response to a changing environment, the European Union Water Framework Directive has set a target that all watercourses should achieve what's termed good status by 2015. In order to comply with this European and local authority legislation, the implementation of a modern stormwater management policy is required on all new developments. The installation of a sustainable urban drainage system, known as SUDS, will help to control surface water runoff on site by attenuating it until the risk of flooding has subsided. Planning for the future now requires that each drainage system has sufficient capacity to cater for the rainfall runoff from the impermeable surface of the development, generated by that 1 in 100-year storm. HydroCell from JFC Civils is a proven underground stormwater storage system with thousands of square meters already installed and in operation across Europe. Attested for its design, efficiency and engineering by TÜV, Germany's standards authority, the HydroCell is a flexible, lightweight, block-like system that can be installed with minimum time and resources, requiring 3 to 4 times less excavation than its hardcore alternative. It can also be deployed at very shallow storage levels, while its different module strength capacities allow for the return of the above-ground surface area to its original use, whether as a car park, a side road, or as a green amenity area. And because JFC Corrie pipe, our distribution pipe, is installed at the same invert level as the HydroCell itself, this optimizes the use of space and considerably reduces the excavation and fill costs of the project. HydroCell blocks also provide 95% void space for runoff. Also, rainfall runoff can only enter the HydroCell water tank by means of a perforated distribution pipe, and this fully secures the system against rodents and protects it against the risk of infestation. HydroCell is a permanent secure fixture that will enhance the value of your property and protect our natural environment. HydroCell attenuation tanks are sealed using 0.5mm impermeable PVC membrane layer. This impermeable layer is sandwiched between 2 layers of 200 gram per square meter geotextile, which protects it from both the ground and the HydroCell blocks themselves. Whether devising a sustainable drainage system on a new development or retrofitting an existing scheme, HydroCell is a dedicated modern solution, and its ease of installation as well as its operational efficiency has seen it become a regular feature of Europe's subterrane. Backed by JFC Civils Division, HydroCell enjoys the support and expertise of a global organisation which is renowned worldwide for its innovative, quality products, leading-edge technology and operations across Europe, in Ireland, the UK, Holland and Poland. As designer, manufacturer and provider for a range of industries including the construction, hospitality, recycling and agriculture sectors, JFC's scale and experience ensures the precise technical support and know-how to assist in the deployment and operation of each HydroCell system, from planning and submission to installation and commission. JFC HydroCell Stormwater Management Solutions, sustainable urban drainage systems in action.